Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your maths lecture of grade 3rd, and I am your maths teacher Aparna Pandey from Arjit Progressive School, Lamachur. So students, as you all know that we have started our revision after completing our syllabus, and in revision we have done our two revision videos. One is of subtraction and one is of addition, right? And in that video of subtraction and addition, we have learned about the different types of addition. Different types of addition means addition including kilogram and gram, addition including liter and milliliter, addition including rupees and paisa, and simple addition. In same way, we have also done in subtraction video, subtraction of liters and milliliters, subtraction of rupees and paisa, subtraction of kilogram and gram, and simple subtraction, right? So in the same way, now today we are going to revise multiplication. Today we are going to revise multiplication. Multiplication is not a new concept because this we have already done and we know very well how to do multiplication or how to multiply the given numbers. This we know very well. But as I told you earlier also, the same thing I am telling you today also, that for doing multiplication, the foremost thing is that you must learn the tables. If you have not learned tables, so you will not be able to solve this multiplication part. And if you have learned that table, means learn tables, then this will become very easy because all the multiplication as well as division is based on multiplication. So, now in this class I have taken here multiplication of three types. Three types means simple multiplication, then multiplication including 4 digits, after that multiplication of two digits, okay, after that multiplication of 2 digits and 3 digits. So, I have included all types of multiplications in this video. So, let's start how to multiply. You can see this is 11 and this is 8. For multiplication, foremost thing is that you must learn the tables. And second thing is that when you are solving the multiplication, what you have to do, you have to put the places. Foremost thing is that you have to put the places so that at the time of solving, we must know that we are solving ones place or we are solving tens place. So now it is, this is 8, this is 1. We know how to multiply. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. So what I will write here? 8. And again 8 into 1 is 8 into 1 is 8 only. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 88. This is very simple. But we have that. We know whenever we multiply any number by 1, we get answer as number itself. Whenever we multiply any number by 1, we get that number as it is. So 8 into 1 is 8 and 8 into 1 is 8. So what is the answer? 88. Because one 8 is at 1's place and another 8 is at 10's place. So when we will read this, what it will come? 88. Now let's solve next one. What it is? 20 and this is 6. This is 20 and this is 6. And 1 since 10's place is already written. Now 6 into 0, what will come here? 6 into 0. So beta, but I have told you very well that whenever we multiply any number by 0, what we get answer? We get answer 0 only. Whenever we multiply any number by 0, we get answer 0 only. So this is 6 into 0. So what it will be? 6 into 0 is 0. Then 6 into 0 is 0. And then 6 into 2, what it will be? 6 2s are 12. Any number is given here? No. So 6 into 2 is 12 and simply we can write 12 here. Simply we can write 12 here. 6 into 0 is 0 and 6 2s are 12. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 120. What answer we are getting? 120. Now let's solve this one. What is the number? 134. And we have to multiply this 134 by 4. We have to multiply this 134 by 4. So let's Acha, who can solve this? Only those students can solve this, those who know the tables. So again I am saying, for doing multiplication, please learn tables. Now 4 into 4, 4 into 4 is 16, and 6 and 1 is carry. 1 is carry because we cannot write complete 16 here. So 6 and this 1 is carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13, and again what we will write 13 का 3 वाला प्लेस इधर आ जाएगा, then 1 will go carry. 4 into 1, 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 into 4 is 16. 6, 1 carry. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3, 1 carry. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 536. What answer we are getting? 536. Now let's solve this one. This is 316 into 5. This is 316 into 5. Now apply this 5 table to 6. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, and 5 six are 30. So what we have to write? 30. Now you all know that how to write 30. We used to write 30 like this, 3 into 0. What we have to do? We have to write this part only, and this part will go carry. So 6 into 5 is 30. 30 का क्या आ जाएगा? 0 आ जाएगा, and this 3 is carried here. Now 4 into 1, sorry 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again see here. 5 6 are 30, 0 and 3 carry. 5 1 are 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is coming here? 8. Then 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. 5 into 3 is 5 3s are 15. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 1580. What answer we are getting? 1580. Now let's solve next one. Now you can see here 4 digits are given. 1, 4, 8, 9. How we will read this? For reading, we must know the places. Though we all know that this is 1489. But for better understanding, we can write also. So this is ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. Okay? Ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. And what it is? 1489. So let us start. 2 into 9 is 9 2s are 18. So what we will write? We will write only 8 and 1 will go carry. So 9 into 2 is 18, 18 8 and 1 is carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17, 7 and 1 is carry. Then 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 2 into 1 is 2. Again you can see 9 into 2 is 18. 9 is a 9. 9 2 is a 18. Of 18 we are writing only 8. 1 is carry. Then multiply 8 by 2. 8 2 is a 16. But 1 we already having, so 16 plus 1 is 17. That's why we are writing here 7 and 1 is carry. Then 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 2 into 1 is 2. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 2978. But we are getting 2978. Now, same thing we have to do here. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 will the 6. 6 7s are. Now for this you have to count 6 table. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. Now what you will write of 42? See, nothing is carried here. 6 7s are 42. So simply we will write 2 and 4 will come carry. 6 7s are 42. 2 is here and 4 is carry. Now multiply 6 by 4. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. What we are getting? 6 4s are 24 and 24 plus 4 will be 24 plus 4 will be 28. So what we will write? 8 here and 2 again will come carry. 6 4s are 24. 24 25, 26, 27, 28. So 28, we have written 8 here and 2 is again carry. Now 6 into 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, then 7, 8. What is coming here? 8. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 8,826. What answer we are getting? 8,826. Now this is done. Now let's solve next one. What it is? 24 multiplied by 34. Acha, first we have to notice what is the difference in this and what is the difference in these all we have done. Most important thing here is multiplier as well as multiplicand. Both are in 2 digits. Multiplier as well as multiplicand both are in 2 digits. Now, so simple, we don't have to do anything more. We have to multiply, but when there is the second digit also, so for that you know that from second line we have to put cross at one place. So same thing we will do here. So this is 24, this is 34. Now 4 into 4 is 16, 6 and 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Then again here 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 and 1 carry, then 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. After that what we have to do? After that we have to do addition. Again see what I have done here. This is 4, this is 4. First we have to do multiplication as usually we do. 4 into 4 is 16, 16 plus 6 like here 1 is carry. Then 4 2s are 8 and plus 1 is 9. Then because now we are going to solve for the second digit, so I told you when we are solving for the second digit for the tens place, then we have to put cross in ones place. So here I have written cross. Now let's solve for this one. 3 4s are 12. 12 you have written 2 and again 1 is carry. 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. So what we have written? We have written here 7. Now, what is the next step after this? The next step is this, that when we are getting both the lines numbers, and after that we have to do addition. After that we have to do addition. So let's do addition here. What we will get? 6. See, number which is above the cross will come as it is. So 6 will be as it is. 9 plus 2, 9. 10, 11, 11, then 1 is here and then 1 is carry. Then 7 plus 1 is 8. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 816. What we are getting? We are getting 816. What I have done? We have just done addition. 6 is 6, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 and 1 is here, 7 plus 1 is 8 and answer we are getting 816. Now let's solve next one. Same thing, 2 digit number is here, but we have to multiply by 2 digit and the number which we are multiplying, that is of 3 digit. Okay. Now let's start. 7 into 2 is 14, 44 and 1 is carry. 2 into 0 is 0. Then 1 will come because we know when we multiply any number by 0, we get 0 in answer. And when we add any number with 0, then we get the same number. So both the things are applied here. See how? When we are multiplying by 2 into 0 means we are getting 0. And when we are adding the 0 with 1, then we are getting 1. Try to understand what I said. मैंने आपको ये कहा कि जब हम किसी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर हमेशा 0 आता है. Whenever we multiply any number by 0, then we get 0 as the answer. And whenever we add any number by 0, whenever we add any number by 0, then we get that number as answer. Then we get that number as answer. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? दोनों चीजें हुई हैं. पहले हमने 0 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 0 आंसर आ गया, बट हमारे पास 1 कैरी था, तो जब हमने 1 को 0 से ऐड किया तो हमारा 1 आ गया. सो 7 2 is 14, 4 and 1 carry. 2 into 0 is 0 and then 1 is here and then 2 2 ones are 2. After that, what is there? After that, 1. 1 into 7 is 7. 1 into 0 is 0. And 1 into 1 is 1. After that, what we have to do? After that, we have to do addition. After that, we have to do addition. So, what we are getting after addition? This is 4. This is 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. And this is 1. What we are getting? 4, 7 plus 1, 8, 2 plus 0, 2 and this is 1. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 1284. What answer we are getting? 1284. So students, here we have solved the different digits of multiplication. Means where we are doing multiply of single digit also, of two digit also, where we have taken multiplicate as a 2 digit, then 3 digit, then 4 digit, and we have also taken multiplier as a 1 digit and 2 digit, right? So I hope that this video will help you in revising your multiplication. But you have to remember this very carefully, that whenever you are going to do maths, and especially multiplication and division, you must know the tables. Okay? So student, I hope that this video will help you in revising your multiplication well. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.